A reliable cooler bag keeps food and drinks fresh during travel, picnics, beach days, and long outdoor adventures. Best cooler bag options combine insulation, durability, leak-proof design, and portability to handle camping trips, groceries, lunches, and daily use with confidence. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Hydro Flask Cooler Bag. The Hydro Flask Cooler Bag is designed for users who want reliable cooling performance in a compact, stylish form. With capacity for up to 10 cans, it is well suited for day trips, office lunches, picnics, or short outdoor outings where portability matters. The insulation efficiently maintains cold temperatures for hours, ensuring food and drinks stay fresh from morning through late afternoon. This design improves usability while also giving the bag a clean, modern appearance that works equally well for men and women. Durability is another strong point, as the cooler is constructed with recycled polyester fabric, reinforcing its sustainability credentials without sacrificing strength. A sturdy zipper system, reinforced handles, and a leak-resistant liner help it withstand daily use and minor spills during travel. The detachable shoulder strap and front zip pocket add versatility, allowing users to carry accessories such as utensils, napkins, or ice packs. Overall, the Hydro Flask Cooler Bag delivers a balance of eco-conscious materials, practical design, and dependable cooling performance for everyday adventures.
Number 2. Vogano Hopper Cooler Bag. The Vogano Hopper Cooler Bag is built for serious outdoor conditions where durability and cold retention are critical. Featuring advanced closed-cell cold cell insulation, this cooler maintains low temperatures significantly longer than standard soft coolers, accommodating up to 12 cans plus ice with ease. Its leak-proof Hydro-Lock zipper creates a tight seal that prevents spills even when the cooler is tipped or exposed to water. The dry hide shell adds another layer of protection, offering waterproof, puncture-resistant, and abrasion-resistant performance ideal for rugged environments. Whether used on hunting trips, fishing excursions, or boating adventures, the cooler stands up well to harsh weather, UV exposure, and rough handling. Despite its toughness, the bag remains manageable in size and weight, making it easy to transport for full-day activities. The structured design ensures the cooler holds its shape even when partially filled, which improves packing efficiency. For users who prioritize long-lasting ice retention, leak-proof construction, and dependable performance in the outdoors, the Vogano Hopper Cooler Bag is a practical and resilient choice that performs well beyond casual recreational use.
Number 3. YETI Hopper Cooler Bag. The YETI Hopper Cooler Bag is engineered for convenience, mobility, and extended cooling in demanding environments. Its backpack-style configuration allows hands-free carrying, making it ideal for fishing, hiking, work sites, and beach trips where movement and balance are important. The zipperless magnetic lid is a notable feature, enabling quick, one-handed access while reducing wear points common in traditional zipper designs. The water-resistant exterior protects contents from moisture, sand, and dirt while remaining easy to clean after use. Dual buckles and the magnetic closure system provide dependable leak resistance during transport. Additional comfort is provided by the chest strap and waist belt, which stabilize the load during longer carries. Storage pockets enhance functionality by offering space for personal items or accessories. Overall, the YETI Hopper Cooler Bag is well suited for users who need reliable insulation, rugged materials, and ergonomic carrying options for extended outdoor activities or demanding work environments.
Number 4. Novoto Julienne Cooler Bag. The Novoto Julienne Cooler Bag is designed for users seeking compact efficiency paired with refined styling. With room for up to 10 cans, it performs well for lunches, short trips, and casual outdoor use where portability is essential. The insulated interior keeps contents chilled for extended periods, supporting consistent temperature control throughout the day. Its distinctive hinged top opening allows easy access while minimizing heat loss, making it convenient when opening frequently. The bag's construction emphasizes durability, using recycled polyester materials that offer both environmental responsibility and structural resilience. Reinforced stitching, sturdy zippers, and a leak-resistant liner help prevent spills and maintain cleanliness during transport. A detachable shoulder strap allows flexible carrying options, while the front zip pocket provides additional storage for small essentials. Lightweight and easy to carry, the cooler adapts well to picnics, beach visits, and daily commutes. The Novoto Julienne cooler bag combines functional insulation, thoughtful design, and sustainable materials, making it a dependable choice for users who value practicality without excessive bulk.
Number 5. Stanley Beach Cooler Bag. The Stanley Beach Cooler Bag is built for maximum capacity, durability, and extreme condition performance. Its high-frequency welded TPU construction and roll-top closure provide fully waterproof and leak-proof protection, outperforming traditional zipper-based designs. This makes it particularly effective for kayaking, camping, and rainy outdoor environments. The generous interior accommodates up to 40 cans with ice, supporting large gatherings, tailgates, or weekend trips, maintaining near-freezing temperatures for extended periods even in high heat. Unlike standard coolers, the roll-top system remains easy to operate in freezing conditions, eliminating zipper jams. Dual carry options enhance usability, with padded shoulder straps for long-distance transport and reinforced handles for quick lifting. Despite its large capacity, the bag remains collapsible for compact storage when not in use. Designed for heavy loads and demanding use, the Stanley Beach Cooler Bag is a robust solution for users who need high-volume cooling, weather resistance, and long-lasting thermal performance.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.